Garlic oil is easy to make and allows the delicious garlic flavour to get deep into your dish. For garlic oil we need 1 cup of peanut oil and 1/3 of a cup of chopped garlic. Add your oil and garlic to the pan on a low to medium heat and move the garlic around the pan. Keep the heat low so you don't burn the garlic. The oil will begin to bubble, but that's fine. The bubbles will reduce as the garlic cooks. When the garlic pieces are a nice golden brown, pour it all through a sieve to separate them from the oil. The garlic will continue to cook, so be sure to remove it from the oil before the colour is too brown. You can now add the crispy garlic pieces to salads or put them all back into the garlic oil once it has cooled, and they will remain good for 2 to 3 weeks.